In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view version history on Dropbox.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to see previous versions of a file, preview them safely, and restore the one you need with confidence. Start by signing into your Dropbox account on the web. Once you're in, navigate to the folder that contains the file you want to review. Make sure you're looking at the correct file, especially if you keep multiple similar documents. Version history is tied to each file individually, so you'll repeat this process for any other file you want to check. Hover your cursor over the file's name. You'll see a set of quick actions appear, including an icon with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the file's options. If you prefer, you can also right-click the file to bring up the same menu. Both methods lead to the same place, so use whichever feels more natural to you. From that menu, select Version History. This opens a panel or page that lists the file's past versions, typically showing timestamps and in shared folders, who made the change. Think of this as a timeline of your edits. It's especially helpful if you're collaborating and want to trace when a particular change was introduced. To preview a version, simply click it in the list. Dropbox will load a view of that specific snapshot so you can verify what's different before making any decisions. Take a moment to compare the content against what you currently have. Use the timestamps and any notes shown to confirm you're choosing the correct point in time. This is your low-risk way to inspect the file without altering anything yet. When you're sure which version you want back, look for the Restore option next to that entry and click Restore. Dropbox will make that selected version the current version of the file. Don't worry, restoring does not delete your other versions. It effectively creates a new entry at the top of the history, so you can always come back and switch again if needed. If the file is shared, everyone with access will see the restored content as the latest version. That's all there is to it. Log in, open the Files menu, choose Version History, preview the versions you care about, and restore the one you trust. Using version history regularly can save you from accidental edits, overwritten content, or unwanted changes from collaborators. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps for any other file where you want to review or roll back changes.